Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you to the 10th annual general meeting of your company. I notice that a quorum has been formed in accordance with the provisions of the company's Articles of Association and therefore declare the meeting open. These are indeed precarious times, but we must continue to thank the Almighty for protecting us through the experiences relating to COVID-19. Please let us take the notice as read to save time. May I also request the secretaries to table the respective duly executed proxies received to date. I observe that very few shareholders are here. One cannot be too careful in the era of physical distancing. A meeting should not consist of more than 20 persons right now, as we all know. I welcome members and Mrs. Toussaint.
No proxies, sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, please can we take my report as read? I only have to add that post-balance sheet events make it necessary for virtually all businesses to review their operating model. Your company is alive to these responsibilities. May I draw your attention to the fact that the Register of Directors' shareholdings, together with the other statutory books, are available for inspection and will remain open and accessible to members throughout the meeting. It is a pleasure to call on the representative of AOL Professional Services, the company's auditors, to read their report.
Yes, thank you, Mr. Chairman. We have audited the accompanying financial statements of XYZ Limited, which comprise the statement of financial position as at 31st December 2019, the statements of profit or loss and other comprehensive income, statement of changes in equity, statement of cash flow for the year then ended, and the notes to the financial statements, including a summary of significant accounting policies. In our opinion, the financial statements give a true and fair view of the financial position of XYZ Limited as at 31st December 2019 and the financial performance and cash flows for the year then ended in accordance with the International Financial Reporting Standards, the Companies and Allied Matters Act (Cap. C. 11 2004) and the Financial Reporting Council of Nigeria Act 2018. Now, onto the basis for our opinion. We conducted our audit in accordance with International Standards on Auditing (ISA). Our responsibilities under those standards are further described in the auditor's responsibilities for the audit of the financial statements section of our report. We are independent of the company in accordance with the requirements of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of Nigeria Professional Code of Conduct and Guide for Accountants, the ICANN Code, and other independence requirements applicable to performing audits of financial statements in Nigeria. We have fulfilled our other ethical responsibilities in accordance with the ICANN Code and in accordance with other ethical requirements applicable to performing audits in Nigeria. The ICANN Code is consistent with the International Ethics Standards Board for Accountants Code of Ethics for Professional Accountants, Parts A and B. We believe that the audit evidence we have obtained is sufficient and appropriate to provide a basis for our opinion. Thank you.
I have nothing further to add to my statement. May I therefore seek a proposer and seconder to the motion that the statement of financial position as at 31st December 2019 and the statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income for the year ended on the same date, together with the directors and auditors' report thereon, be and are hereby received and adopted.
I move.
I second.
I now put the resolution to the meeting. Those in favor, please signify by raising your right hand. Okay. Those against, please signify by raising your right hand. All right. I declare the resolution carried. I propose that the final dividend of 10 kobo per share, amounting to 400,000 naira, be and is hereby declared payable to all members whose names appeared in the register of members as at 28th February 2020. Would somebody please second the motion?
I second.
I hope we will not have to cough it up through rights issues very soon though.
I now put the resolution to the meeting. Those in favor and those against, I declare the resolution carried. In accordance with the provisions of the company's Articles of Association, Ambassador Jones and Mrs. Bandele, retired by rotation and being eligible, offered themselves for re-election. I propose that Ambassador Jones and Mrs. Bandele be and are hereby re-elected directors of the company. Would somebody please second the motion?
I second and commend the directors for their proactiveness.
Thank you, Mrs. Kojo. I now put the resolution to the meeting. Those for and those against. All right, I declare the resolution carried. I propose that the directors be authorized to agree with the auditors, AOL Professional Services, their fees for the year ending 31st December 2020. Would somebody please second the motion?
Oh well, I second. They may be offering us a discount considering the hard times.
I now put the resolution to the meeting. Those in favor and those against, I declare the resolution carried. Please manage our lean refreshments. The rules now discourage the distribution of memorabilia, and we are good corporate citizens. Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes the formal business of the meeting. Thank you for your attendance and for showing so much interest in the affairs of your company. Please all continue to keep safe till we meet again. Thank you.